So adding two vectors. Now how will you add two vectors? That is another point, that how will you add the vector. So I know it is difficult for you because you're going through this topic the first time, but no problem, we'll help you out. Now it's easy. If you give it a try, it's very easy, right? Don't just like think that it is difficult. It is not at all difficult. I'm assuring you, I'll help you out with all the topics, right? I'm starting with the vector now. First, you need to write the a vector. Now, how will you write a vector? A vector starts from here and going to this direction, right? So I will write for the a vector, it is 1 and 2. So I'll write vector a is 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, so it is 2, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So positive 5. So I'll write positive 5. For positive, you don't need to mention positive signs. If you want to write, you can write. For b vector, now b vector doing 1, 2, and 3. It's negative 3 here, and 1, 2. It is negative 2 here. So I'll write negative 3, negative 2. Right? Now you need to add these two vectors. Very simple. You write this together. A plus b will be equal to 2, 5 plus minus 3, minus 2. Now what will do? 2 plus minus is minus. So I'll write like this way. So it is 2 minus 3 and 5 minus 2. Why? Because plus minus is minus. So I'll write minus. Plus minus is minus. So I'll minus. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3. If I'm going from A to B, so I'm going from this to this. So while going this, I can directly go to this point. So it is minus 1 and 1, 2, 3. So positive 3 and minus 1. So you can directly write like this also, right? Easy. I hope you got the idea how to solve this part.